Ever wondered what the difference is between a data analyst, data analytics, business analyst, data engineer, and data scientist? Before we start, subscribe now, or you'll miss out on the most jaw-dropping data revelations. These roles are all crucial in our data-driven world, each with its own set of unique strengths and responsibilities. From parsing through data to make business decisions, to building robust data infrastructure, to devising advanced machine learning models, these roles shape the way we understand and interact with the world of data. Today, we will unravel the mystery behind these roles. Starting with the data analyst, they are the detectives of the data world. These individuals are entrusted with the responsibility of dissecting data, looking for patterns, trends, and insights. They are akin to treasure hunters, sifting through mountains of information to find that one piece of gold that can change the game. Their primary role involves collecting, processing, and performing statistical analyses on large data sets. They interpret these data, translating numbers into actionable information for their companies. They could be predicting sales trends, analyzing customer behavior, or helping senior management make data-driven decisions. As for the skills, a data analyst needs a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, and a good command of data analysis tools like SQL or Python. But it's not all about the technical stuff. They also need excellent communication skills to explain their findings and insights in a way that anyone can understand. So in essence, a data analyst turns numbers into insights. Next up, we have data analytics, which is more about the process than the person. In essence, data analytics is the science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusions about that information. It involves applying an algorithmic or mechanical process to derive insights, such as running through various data sets to look for meaningful correlations between each other. Unlike a data analyst who may only focus on generating reports based on specific data sets, data analytics dives deeper into the pool of data, leveraging advanced techniques like machine learning to predict trends, identify patterns, and create more robust strategies. The skills needed for this field go beyond the typical statistical and analytical skills. One needs to have a good understanding of data structures, database systems, and algorithms. Familiarity with programming languages like Python or R is also a must-have. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data to make informed decisions. It's about finding hidden insights that can provide a real competitive edge. Moving on to the business analyst, the bridge between business and IT. When thinking of a business analyst, consider them the architects of change. They analyze, understand, and report on the business processes and information systems of an organization. Their main role is to facilitate solutions to meet the needs of a business. Technical skills for a business analyst include proficiency in business intelligence tools, data analysis, and a fundamental understanding of databases. They need to be comfortable with technologies that businesses use to operate and make decisions. However, their role isn't solely about tech. They also need excellent communication skills, the ability to negotiate and persuade, and a knack for problem solving. They work with diverse teams and must be able to translate complex technical concepts into everyday language for the non-technical staff. In essence, a business analyst is like a translator, turning data into actionable insights that drive business decisions. A business analyst is a problem solver who designs technical solutions. Now let's talk about the data engineer, the builders of the data world. Data engineers, in essence, are the architects of data. They construct robust, fault-tolerant data pipelines that clean, normalize, and standardize data. Their job is to ensure that massive amounts of data are correctly received, transformed, stored, and made accessible for other roles, such as data scientists and analysts. On the technical side, data engineers need a deep understanding of database systems, both relational and non-relational, and online analytical processing, OLAP. They must be proficient in different programming languages, most notably Python and Java, and often require knowledge of cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud Platform. The soft skills for a data engineer are just as important. They need strong problem-solving skills and an eye for detail. They must be capable of abstract thinking while keeping the big picture in mind, and they should be excellent team players as they often work in cross-functional teams. Data engineers are the architects who build data highways. Finally, we have the data scientist, the rock stars of the data world. These professionals are a unique blend of analysts, statisticians, and software engineers. Their main job? To extract, process, and analyze massive amounts of data to help businesses make informed decisions. Data scientists are expected to have a firm grasp of programming languages like Python or R, along with knowledge of databases and query languages such as SQL. They're also proficient in statistical analysis and machine learning techniques. But it's not just about the technical stuff. Soft skills play a crucial role too. Data scientists need to be curious, always ready to dive into the data and discover new insights. They should have excellent communication skills to clearly explain their findings to non-technical team members. They also require a good deal of creativity to devise innovative solutions to complex problems. Data scientists are the magicians who turn data into valuable insights. Now that we've unraveled these roles, it's clear that they each have unique functions. Don't fly away yet. Subscribe and let's soar through the data clouds together. A data analyst is like a detective, adept at extracting insights from data and presenting them in a way that's easily understood. They're masters of spreadsheets and databases, with a knack for asking the right questions to squeeze out the most important information. Data analytics, on the other hand, is the broader field that encompasses the techniques used to analyze data. It's a discipline that requires a deep understanding of statistical methods, programming, and problem-solving. A business analyst is the bridge between the data and the business. They use their business acumen and communication skills to translate data-driven insights into actionable business strategies. It's a role that combines the technical with the strategic. The data engineer is the architect. They design, build, and manage the systems that capture, process, and store data. Their work lays the foundation for all data operations, requiring a solid grounding in computer science and data architecture. Finally, the data scientist is the visionary, using advanced statistical models and machine learning algorithms to predict future trends and patterns. They're the ones who can take a sea of data and see the future. These roles all intertwine and complement each other. They are different pieces of the same puzzle, each contributing their unique skills and perspectives to the broader goal of turning data into actionable insights. Remember, no matter the role, each one plays a crucial part in turning data into decisions.